Right. The actually, I bumped on this Ewen's webinar in the month of July. So at the point of time, I didn't really sign up. So what I did was I tried to do what little things that I learned that time in July. So actually, we set up everything, and then I actually from that time until yesterday, I had about 300 over clicks, and actually 7 converted. So for the last 3-4 months, I only get about 3 digit, about $300 over US dollars. So with this now, step-by-step approach, and I knew exactly where I went wrong. So it's like, everything is laid down for you. It's like a book for dummies, But so I've really learned so much today. So I think anyone that joins definitely, will really, really, really get a lot out of this. So I guess after this, I will definitely get more conversion after that. So definitely do join this program all you want, because it's definitely going to be very helpful. And you may even have a chance to be a millionaire. All right, all the best. Thank you so much, Ewen.